Owners of the first Poco phone will receive a substantial discount on the future Xiaomi Pocophone F2, or simply Poco F2, and almost 70%. This information appeared in the fall in the online media. Apparently, the Chinese appreciated the launch of the new flagship series as successful and intend to continue to actively promote and develop it. Moreover, it is rumored that Xiaomi will release the Pocophone F2 already in the first half of 2019. The smartphone will be focused on the European market. At the same time, it is not clear how the company plans to avoid mutual competition of very similar F2 and Mi 9. With regard to the characteristics of Xiaomi Pocophone F2, it is expected that the device will be based on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 mobile processor, or Snapdragon 8150 in another version. The amount of RAM will be 6 or 8 GB, the built-in flash drive, 64/128/256 GB, depending on the modification. From the Xiaomi Mi 9, the future Pocophone F2 is likely to be distinguished by the presence of a slot for a microSD memory card and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Actually, due to the presence of these options, the first Pocophone confidently bypassed the anniversary Mi 8 in popularity even despite a simpler camera. The screen resolution of the future flagship is likely to be Full HD+. Xiaomi does not at all seek to increase this parameter. Matrix type, IPS or even AMOLED. It is quite possible that instead of a wide monobrow the front camera will be placed on a compact neckline in the form of a drop, freeing up useful space on the screen. At the same time, the Xiaomi Pocophone F2 fingerprint scanner is likely to be built right into the display. In the debut of the smartphone line, he is on the back of the case under the camera. However, the location of this element may remain unchanged. But the future Pocophone F2 certainly should receive support for 5G networks. The latter in 2019 will be actively launched into commercial operation in many European countries. Thus, the smartphone will be an excellent choice for those who want to buy the device for growth. Of the other likely parameters worth mentioning is a very decent battery with a capacity of at least 4000 mAh and wireless charging. Last, let it with a squeak, but comes into fashion. More and more not only flagships, but also relatively inexpensive models are equipped with its support.